If you've noticed your iPhone overheating since you updated the iOS 26 beta, this isn't just frustrating, it can actually damage your battery health. Today, I'll walk you through 4 essential tips to bring that temperature down immediately. The first tip is to check your battery and app usage for anything unusual. Go to Settings and tap Battery. Here you can see which apps have been using the most energy over the last 24 hours. If you see an app using a disproportionate amount of battery, that's likely causing the heat, and you should consider updating or deleting it. The second tip to reduce heat is to turn off background app refresh. This feature makes apps update constantly, which uses your CPU and generates heat. Go to Settings, tap General, and then tap Background App Refresh. I'm going to select Off to prevent all apps from refreshing in the background. The third tip to prevent overheating is to disable location services for apps that don't need it. Constant GPS use is a major cause of heat. Go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and tap Location Services. Here I'm going to look for apps that are set to Always and change them to While Using or Never to give my phone a break.
Tip number 4. Force restart. Sometimes the system gets stuck running in the background. A quick restart clears it. Just press volume up, then volume down, then hold the side button until you see the Apple logo.
If you've tried all these tips and your iPhone is still overheating, the problem is most likely the iOS 26 beta software. The most effective solution is to downgrade back to the stable and cool running iOS 18. If this guide helped you, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech solutions.